Hey, the Tiger King may still be sitting behind bars, but some of the cats linked to his former park are now right here in Arizona, with wildlife sanctuaries across the country now caring for the animals seized by federal authorities. This includes Keepers of the Wild Nature Park. It's in Mojave County. 7 big cats moved to this park. They were taken from Tiger King Park there in Oklahoma, owned by Jeff Lowe. If you've seen the documentary on Netflix, you know who that is. He took over operations from the Tiger King. Lowe and his wife have been accused of violating the Endangered Species Act because of the conditions at the facility.
When you see that lion or any of these cats walk up to a real live tree and rub all over it, that's the first time in their life that they had an opportunity to do that and feel, grass under their feet and be able to run through the weeds and have a lot of enrichment in a giant habitat is just spectacular to watch. And for that's why we do this, because the rewards are so great.
Well, it's Jonathan Kraft there. He's the owner and operator. I've had a chance to go to the park. It's awesome. He tells us taking in these animals will add another $120,000 to feed the budget there, to the feed budget. It's a lot to take care of.
Oh, but they're so beautiful to look at, right? Good to know they're being taken care of.